Throughout all these years, we've been getting strong. We are in the right while others are wrong. Once that in the sky is a new threat about to appear, I better warn the others so their hearts aren't filled with fear. Frieza's come back with, wait, it's another Saiyan. Vegeta, we need a plan. A new guy rushes at Vegeta. Oh man, the best thing to do is become a Super Saiyan. The fury of the battle is getting intense. We watch the fight and build suspense. Uh oh. Broly is on the loose. I jump in the battle as Super Saiyan Blue, but it's not enough. What to do? Uh oh. Vegeta, we need to fuse. There is no other choice. But then I heard the call of Shenron's voice.